Meat has been in our diet for centuries. However, with the human population rising and the high demand for animal products, it's causing some problems to the environment. Raising animals involve the use of massive amount of resources such as land, food, energy, and water. In addition to that, most farms have an inhumane way of killing animals. So, what is the impact of meat to our environment? First is climate change. Animal agriculture is responsible for a huge percentage of greenhouse gases than all of the world's transportation systems combined. Greenhouse gases absorb solar heat reflected by the surface of the earth, and it warms the atmosphere. When it comes to meat consumption, the following greenhouse gases are methane, carbon dioxide, and nitrous oxide. If greenhouse gases continue to rise, more heat is trapped. As a result, we witness a global warming. Second is water use. Growing crops for animals to eat, cleaning factory farms, and giving animals water to drink requires an enormous amount of water. It could take more than 1,700 gallons of water to produce just 1 pound of beef. Third is pollution. In the US alone, factory farms produce 500 million tons of manure each year. With no animal sewage processing plants, it is most often stored in waste lagoons or it gets sprayed all over fields. Bacteria and viruses can be carried by the runoffs and groundwater can be contaminated. While the sprayed manure causes people who live nearby to inhale toxins and pathogens. Fourth is land use. More than 90% of all Amazon rainforest land cleared since 1970s, and they are used for grazing livestock. In addition, one of the main crops in the rainforest is soybeans, and they are used for animal feed. Fourth is oceans. Such commercial fishing methods often clear the ocean floor of all life and destroy coral reefs. Thousands of dolphins, sea turtles, sharks, and other marine animals are also at risk. So, what can we do about this? Realistically, most people can't immediately go on vegan or vegetarian diets. However, reducing meat intake can make a difference. Some people do meatless Mondays. And meatless Mondays for 1 year could spare an average of 3.5 animals a year per person. And if 1 pound of beef could take up 1,700 gallons of water, a pound of vegetables could only take 39 gallons. Eating less meat could help reduce one's carbon footprint. And it's also a good opportunity to explore and try plant-based dishes. This helps in the decrease of demand for meat, thus reducing its negative impacts to the environment.